Hey guys, we're having a quick week. We are doing, well, round 26, I have 0 downs, and I have a upgraded Raven, and I forget what it's called, RPD something, or PRD, something like that. This is new thing, and I can't say, something punishment, but we're both upgraded, and we're doing awesome. And we have all the parts, basically, that we needed. Oh, you bloody...
Okay, we might have to jump.
No, we're not gonna jump.
We got to jump. We don't have to jump.
Yeah, we don't have to jump. I've got the window. Yeah, this is where we stay, even if there is no boxer. Oh, the only thing that would make it perfect is if we had monkeys. Dude, there was no mystery. Double points anymore, we didn't need points anymore. Let's read. Oh, crap, you're not on. Okay, anyway guys, I actually want to do a video because like, normally I'm down and stuff, but yeah. Oh yeah, I got this. You know that there's a, what do you call it? This. Someone can look at me. Wait, how come I can buy it again? Fuck you, let me. Fuck this! I thought I was just gonna go keep staying here and try and get the monkeys. Nice. Come on, monkeys. I'm gonna keep trying to get monkeys. I'll try not to.
There's a max ammo.
Do it. I'm fine.
What the fuck? Fucking is this one?
Come on, monkey. Nope. Still haven't got it yet.
I'm really pushing up those zombies. Wait. Shit.
What?
I'll just stay on the down. That ain't too bad.
I need to stand with down. Oh crap, mine too. At least if I don't get monkeys, we'll be able to move the chest back.
Yeah, I know. That's what we need. Take away for one How you doing?
Well, fine, I guess. Okay, I'm doing that. Oh! Dude, we need to die. Oh wait, no, don't.
I'm still wanting to die.
I ain't got tombstone. Down all my perks.
You don't get perks back if you have tombstone.
I know. We're getting goodness back. Please, I need healing. Okay, guys, first.
If people don't heal you, I can heal you. Tombstone is pointless.
No, I haven't got tombstone.
Tombstone is only good at.
No, can you come heal me, please? Thank you. It's because I'm like, oh crap, I need healing.
You don't need tombstone.
Oh. Yeah, I think I might. Help me! Trying to kill him. Yep. I'm gonna try to. I think this video will look like this time. Well, this video that I'm doing right now. Dude, could you come to me? I think I might die.
I got an RTV.
Yeah, I'm gonna die. Come see where the stamina up is.
Last demo. If you go crazy with your gun and the road.
Oh shit.
Everyone's working. Alright, reload.
It wouldn't let me get the drink.
You reloaded?
Yeah. Unless it's going in.
Stand down there, that's where you want to
I think I shouldn't have moved when I didn't. Yeah. Oh crap. Let me see. Ah! Farmer! Well, could you come? Not really. Monkey. No, that's not monkey. Shit. And then we're gonna go down. Damn. I don't know. Ah, no, just go out. Oh, God damn it. You fucking Oh, shit.
I'll come with you.
Well, then we'll get to when we die and the best, but no best.